Wizards in Eclipse. A wizard is composed of several different underlying parts. Now we are considering here you can see wizards. A wizard is composed of several different underlying parts. Wizards are used to guide user through a sequence of tasks. Your plugin can contribute wizards at predefined extension points in the workbench. It can also create and launch its own wizards. When you contribute to a workbench wizard extension point, the actions that launch the wizard are already set up by the workbench. You need only supply the wizard that will be used. If you need to launch other wizards that are not already defined in the workbench wizard extension points, you must launch them yourself. You can launch your own wizards by adding an action to a view, editor, pop-up, or an action set. A wizard is composed of several different underlying parts. Wizard dialog. The wizard dialog is the top level dialog in a wizard. It defines the standard wizard buttons and manages a set of pages that are provided to it. When you contribute to a workbench wizard extension, you do not have to create a wizard dialog. One is created on your behalf by the workbench and your wizard is set into it. The wizard dialog performs the enabling and disabling of the next, back, and finish buttons based on the information it obtained from the wizards and the current wizard page. The wizard controls the overall appearance and behavior of the wizard, such as title bar text, image, and availability of a help button. Wizards often use corresponding dialog settings to obtain and store the default values for the settings of the control on the wizard pages. Wizard class implements many of the details for standard wizard behavior. You typically extend this class to implement behavior specific to your wizard. The primary responsibilities of your wizard will include creating and adding your pages to your wizard, implementing the behavior that should occur when the user presses the finish button. Wizard page define the controls that are used to show the content of the wizard page. It responds to events in its content areas and determines when the page is completed. Your wizard page typically extends the wizard page class. The primary responsibilities of your wizard page will include creating the SWT controls that represent the page, determining when the user has supplied enough information to complete the page, that is, when the user can move to the next page. With regarding important classes and interfaces, here we can consider wizard dialog. The class wizard dialog in package org.eclipse.jface.wizard, a dialog to show a wizard to the end user. In the wizard we can consider iWizard, the interface iWizard in package org.eclipse.jface.wizard. Interface for a wizard. A wizard maintains a list of wizard pages stacks on top of each other in the card layout fashion. We can also consider wizard class wizard package in the package org.eclipse.jface.wizard. An abstract based implementation of wizard, a typical client subclasses wizard to implement a particular wizard. You can consider interface iWizard page in package org.eclipse.jfs.wizard. Interface for a wizard page. We can also consider class wizard page in package org.eclipse.jfs.wizard. An abstract based implementation of a wizard page. Here you can see the wizard and back and next and finish and cancels are inside the wizard dialog. Wizard page, the content is inside wizard, the page set. Wizard is connected to page set. Page set consists of a number of wizard pages. Wizard page is connected to wizard page in page set is connected to wizard page here in wizard. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.